Welcome, I'm Georgie Holbrook, here to proudly celebrate with you my new book, How to Believe in Answered Prayers, Growing Deeper Spiritual Roots. I don't know about you, but I always want to be growing deeper spiritual roots so that the changes of life, when they come, and they will, don't uproot me and get me all emotionally upset. So for many years in my life, I begged, I doubted how my prayers were going to be answered. And then sometimes when they were answered, it was way beyond my expectations. And so the contrast was totally confusing to me. And sometimes I felt helpless in being able to pray with another person and really have that confidence. And now I wanted to write a book of what I've discovered in steps that you can take in a fun way and be consistent, whether you're praying for yourself or praying with another, the steps to take. And also I give you examples, but I also give you some stories from clients that went way beyond their expectations in answered prayers when we started praying for families. Anyway, families, relationships, love, getting more love in your life, health issues. Let's be consistent and watch our prayers not only be answered, but even greater than what our prayer request is, because God wants us to have it all. How to live your passion and show up in our world very unique for being who you are and not miss the opportunity. So the book covers many, many steps you can take, but like me on Facebook and YouTube, and I appreciate your doing that, because together, like a ripple effect, we can spread the words. And this book, just notice the cover, has a really special story behind the cover and some healing stories that I've had. And from my heart to yours, may you be blessed by this book, and may your friends and family be blessed by this book. It's a very rare book, in my opinion, because it was totally given to me out of a prayer that I was doing, that I was to write another book. And so here it is, celebrating with you. Blessings to you, my friend. Thank you so much.